Hi everyone, do you want to know how to autosave and auto-recover your data in Excel? Then you are so lucky because in this video, I'll show you how you can autosave and auto-recover your data the way you want it to be saved with a step-by-step explanation. But before that, make sure you don't post any data in your Excel sheet before watching this video on how to autosave and auto-recover in Excel to avoid losing your data. So as you can see, I have data for the month of June in this worksheet. So as you can see, here are the data and here are the total data in this column and the cumulative data. So anyway, this is the data that I have been posting and updating on daily basis, but I don't want to lose data in case unforeseen happens. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can autosave and auto recover your worksheet or your data in case unforeseen happens. So the first step is going on here on the Excel ribbon. Then click here on the File tab. Then scroll down. Click here on Options. Then the Excel Options window pop up here. Here you have few categories and Excel options. You have general, formula, proofing, save, language, etc. So these are the categories that are under Excel options. So the category that we're interested in is a save category. So click here on save. So here is where now we are going to customize how our workbook is going to be saved. So here we are going to use two options. Then the first option is this one. It says save auto recover information every 10 minutes. What this means is that Microsoft Excel saves our data automatically after every 10 minutes, but we want to customize this time. So we are going to reduce this time to ensure that the Microsoft Excel auto saves our data within the minimum time possible. So here we are going to reduce this time up to 2 minutes. 2 minutes here. So we do that. So we have customized that. Then this second option says keep the last auto-saved version if I cross without saving. Then here auto-recover file location. So what it means is that this worksheet that is going to be automatically saved is going to be saved in this location. So here we can also customize this location where we want to save our file in case of unforeseen happens. So to change this file location, what we are going to do, maybe for example, I want to save my file on my desktop, my auto recover file in my desktop. So what I'm going to do, I click here on File Explorer, click there on File Explorer, then come here on desktop, then right click here, right click your mouse, then new, here on new, then here on folder, we create a new folder. I can call it Data's Auto Recover. I can call it Data's Auto Recover like that. So this is the folder where I want now my file to be saved in case unforeseen happens. Then I go back to my Excel. So after customizing everything, I have customized the autosaver time. I have customized the auto recover file location. So what I'm going to do is now copy this link of this file. So double click it. Then this is the file location where I want to recover my file. Then click here. Then right click your mouse, copy the link, go back to your Excel. So here, now this is the link that we want now to change. So just select it, then right click, then paste or Ctrl and V. So this is now where our file is going now to be saved, all auto recovered from. So after that, after customizing everything, now you click on OK. And everything now is fine. So in case you close your Excel sheet without saving your work by mistake, or your Excel sheet crashes, then you'll be able to auto recover the last version of your Excel sheet based on how you customize the autosave option. For example, if you set it to autosave after every 2 minutes, then you will be on the safer side instead of using the default setting of 10 minutes, and that way you will just lose a small portion of data that you posted, of which you can post again. That's all I have in this video, and if you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my future videos. Thank you for watching, and you are always welcome in my channel.